As we step into 2025, the rental market is experiencing a significant shift that has many landlords feeling a sense of panic. After years of rising rents, we are now witnessing a decline that is reshaping the landscape of rental properties. This downturn is not just a statistic, it carries profound implications for both landlords and tenants. With vacancy rates climbing and rental prices dropping, landlords are grappling with the reality of decreased income and increased competition. In this video, we'll dive deep into the current trends affecting the rental market, exploring the factors contributing to this decline and what it means for property owners. Understanding these changes is crucial, as they can impact investment strategies, property management, and tenant relationships. For landlords, staying informed about market dynamics is essential to navigate these turbulent waters effectively. Meanwhile, tenants may find opportunities in this shifting landscape, potentially leading to better rental deals. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of the rental market in 2025 and the strategies that can help both landlords and tenants thrive amidst these changes. So, let's get started and unpack what's happening in the world of rentals. As we explore the decline in rental prices in 2025, several key factors come into play that are reshaping the rental landscape. First and foremost, economic conditions, such as shifts in the job market, are significant contributors. With rising costs of living, many potential renters are feeling the pinch, leading to a decrease in demand for higher-priced rentals. Additionally, job market fluctuations, including layoffs and remote work trends, have altered where people choose to live, further impacting rental demand. Demographic changes also play a crucial role in this decline. Younger generations, particularly millennials and Gen Z, are prioritizing affordability and flexibility, often opting for shared living arrangements or moving to less expensive areas. This shift in preferences is causing traditional rental markets to reevaluate their pricing strategies. Moreover, the impact of new housing developments and regulations cannot be overlooked. An increase in the supply of rental units, driven by new construction and relaxed zoning laws, has created a more competitive environment. As more options become available, landlords may need to lower rents to attract tenants. By understanding these interconnected factors, landlords can better navigate the challenges of 2025's rental market, while tenants can seize opportunities for more affordable housing. As rental prices decline in 2025, many landlords are grappling with a wave of emotions that can significantly affect their mental well-being. Feelings of anxiety and uncertainty are common as they face the reality of decreased income and increased competition. The pressure to maintain their properties and meet financial obligations can lead to sleepless nights and heightened stress levels. It's essential to recognize that these feelings are valid and shared by many in the industry. During financial downturns, mental health often takes a back seat, but it's crucial for landlords to prioritize their emotional well-being. The stress of managing properties in a challenging market can lead to burnout, impacting not only their professional lives, but also their personal relationships. Acknowledging these feelings and understanding that they are part of a broader experience can help landlords feel less isolated. Encouraging landlords to seek support is vital, whether through local landlord associations, online forums, or community resources. Connecting with others facing similar challenges can provide valuable insights and emotional relief. Sharing experiences and strategies can foster resilience and help landlords navigate this turbulent time more effectively. Remember, taking care of your mental health is just as important as managing your properties. As landlords face the challenges of declining rents in 2025, it's essential to implement actionable strategies to remain competitive and sustain their investments. One of the most effective approaches is to adjust rental prices. Conducting thorough market research can help landlords set competitive rates that attract tenants while still covering expenses. Flexibility in pricing can make a significant difference in filling vacancies. Enhancing property appeal is another crucial strategy. Simple renovations, such as fresh paint, updated fixtures, or improved landscaping, can make a property more attractive to potential renters. Investing in amenities like high-speed internet or energy-efficient appliances can also set a property apart in a crowded market, making it more desirable. Additionally, diversifying rental options can open new revenue streams. Landlords might consider offering short-term rentals through platforms like Airbnb or VRBO. This approach can maximize income during peak seasons and attract a different demographic of renters. By being adaptable and exploring various rental strategies, landlords can better navigate the current market landscape. Ultimately, staying proactive and responsive to market changes will empower landlords to not only survive but thrive even in the face of declining rents. Embracing these strategies can lead to long-term success and stability in their rental ventures. As landlords navigate the challenges of declining rents in 2025, understanding the legal landscape is crucial. First and foremost, landlords must be well versed in tenant rights and their own responsibilities. Familiarizing themselves with local and state laws regarding eviction processes, security deposits, and maintenance obligations can help prevent legal disputes and ensure compliance. This knowledge not only protects landlords, but also fosters a fair rental environment. Clear communication with tenants is another vital aspect of maintaining positive relations during this period. Keeping tenants informed about any changes in rental agreements, property management practices, or potential rent adjustments can build trust and reduce misunderstandings. Regular check-ins can also provide an opportunity for tenants to voice concerns, allowing landlords to address issues proactively. Moreover, landlords should stay informed about potential legal changes that could impact rental agreements. Legislative shifts, such as new rent control measures or tenant protection laws, can significantly affect how landlords operate their businesses. By staying updated on these developments, landlords can adapt their practices accordingly and avoid potential pitfalls. In summary, being aware of legal considerations and fostering strong tenant relations are essential for landlords to navigate the complexities of the rental market effectively. This proactive approach can lead to a more harmonious and successful rental experience for all parties involved. As we look beyond 2025, the rental market is poised for potential recovery and transformation. Economic forecasts suggest that as inflation stabilizes and job markets rebound, we may see a gradual increase in rental demand. This recovery could lead to a more balanced market, where landlords can regain some pricing power while still catering to tenant needs. Understanding these trends will be crucial for landlords aiming to make informed decisions about their properties. Additionally, technology is set to play a significant role in reshaping the rental landscape. Innovations such as virtual tours, online leasing platforms, and smart home features are becoming increasingly popular among renters. Landlords who embrace these technologies can enhance tenant experiences and streamline property management processes. Staying ahead of technological advancements will not only attract more tenants, but also improve operational efficiency. To navigate this evolving market successfully, landlords must remain vigilant and informed about ongoing changes. Regularly reviewing market reports, attending industry seminars, and engaging with fellow landlords can provide valuable insights into emerging trends. By staying proactive and adaptable, landlords can position themselves for success in the future rental market, ensuring they are ready to meet the demands of both current and prospective tenants. Embracing change will be key to thriving in this dynamic environment. In summary, the rental market in 2025 presents unique challenges for landlords, particularly with the decline in rents. Key takeaways include the importance of adjusting rental prices to remain competitive, enhancing property appeal through renovations, and diversifying rental options such as short-term rentals. Additionally, understanding legal considerations and maintaining clear communication with tenants are essential for fostering positive relationships and avoiding disputes. As we look ahead, it's crucial for landlords to stay informed about market trends and economic forecasts, as well as to embrace technology that can reshape the rental landscape. By taking proactive steps in their rental strategies, landlords can navigate these changes effectively and position themselves for future success. By taking proactive steps in their rental strategies, landlords can navigate these changes effectively and position themselves for future success. We encourage you to engage with this content by subscribing to our channel for more insights on the rental market and property management. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow landlords or anyone interested in the rental industry. Your support helps us create more valuable content to assist you in your journey. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.